Little Marvels.
It's 7:30 a.m. on the dot. Alarm clock rang. Up, awake. Gotta hop in the shower and be out, 'cause school starts at 8. Then I'm gonna learn math, gonna learn English, gonna learn all sorts of things. 'Cause school is cool, it's fun to learn, so listen as we sing. Yeah. It's fun to learn, it's fun to learn. So, I've got the scoop. Every day at school I have gym class. I like to play in groups. Every day I learn and I play at the same time. I'm the math master of the second grade. If you didn't know, well, you better learn at the spelling bee. I'll spell everything. I study, 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 that's the thing.
Little Marvels.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa?
Homework finished? Not yet, Papa.
Thank you for your honesty.
You're welcome,
Papa. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Mama? Did you wash up?
Forgot, Mama.
Thank you for telling the truth. I'll do it now, Mama. Telling the truth feels so good. It's the right thing to do. When we're rude, when we're honest with others, they'll trust me and you. Johnny, Johnny,
yes, teacher.
know the answer.
Need help, teacher.
Thank you for being honest.
I'll learn it now, teacher.
Sometimes it's hard to say when we've made a mistake, but honesty shows that we're brave and helps us to learn and grow. Sometimes it's hard to say when we've made a mistake, but honesty shows that we're brave and helps us to learn and grow.
Little Marvels.
Pitter patter, raindrops fall. Can't go outside, no, not at all. But that's okay, we'll have some fun. Rainy day games have just begun. Rainy day, stay and play. So many things flashing, what a sight! What a sight! A rainy day, stay and play. So many things to do today. A rainy day, hip hooray! We can laugh and sing all day. Get your paints and colors bright. Colors bright. Make a rainbow, what a sight! What a sight! Red and yellow, green and blue. Green and blue. Paint a picture just for you. Just for you. Now it's time to dance and shake. Dance and shake. Wiggle, wiggle like a snake. Like a Turn snake. Around and touch the ground. Touch the ground. Breath into the rain, sweet sound. Sweet sound. Find a rainy day, stay and play. So many things to do today. Rainy day, hip hooray! We can laugh and sing all day. Rain, rain, don't go away. We're having fun inside today. Bye, bye, raindrops!
Little marbles.
Let's move our bodies.
Hands up high, reach for the sky. Reach up high. Hands down low, touch your toes. Touch your toes. Spin around, round and round. Now sit down on the ground. Move, move, move your body every day. Move, move, move your body, hip hooray. Jump and dance and wiggle too. This is what we love to do. March, march, march in place. March, march. Put a smile on your face. Big smiles now. Shake your arm. Shake, shake, shake. Like a tree in the wind, let's make. Move, move, move your body every day. Move, move, move your body, hip hooray. Stretch and bend and wiggle too. This is what we love to do. Can you hop like a bunny? Hop, hop, hop. Can you swim like a fish? Swim, swim, swim. Can you stomp like an elephant? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Oh, this is so much fun. Final. Move, move, move your body every day. Move, move, move your body, hip hooray. Dance and play and giggle too. Now we're done, high five for you. High five.
Little marbles.
Round and round they go, no stop in sight. Wheels turning fast, oh what a delight. Through the town on a sunny day, rolling along, come join the way. The wheels on the bus keep spinning round, spinning round, spinning round. The wheels on the bus keep spinning round, all through the town.
Horns go beep, kids all cheer. Laughter fills the air so clear.
Windows down, see the smiling crew. Every trip is fresh and new.